We all have rainbows deep inside. Open up and we'll reside. Appreciate diversity. We'll overcome adversity. We all have rainbows deep inside. Open up and we'll reside. Appreciate diversity. We'll overcome adversity.
Hi guys, it's me, Jamie Rose, singing vegan mum, and this one is all about what my kids eat for dinner. So today I got a phone call from the kids' school. Your son's not feeling very well. It's a very bad Essex accent. I'll try it again. Could you come over please? Your son's not feeling very well. So I brought him home early. And what did you say, Kyan?
I wanted a lasagna.
He said he wanted a lasagna. So I said, why do you want a lasagna? Because you said he saw it on TV?
Yes.
So with all these vegan things now on TV, which is a great thing, my child said he wanted vegan lasagna. So, as usual, whatever the sick boy wants, the sick boy gets. Let's get into it, guys. Vegan lasagna for my unwell son, Kyan.
Why do I think of you in colors orange, yellow, blue? I can't get you off my mind. Red as blood, warm as sun. Such good loving just begun. Rainbow lover, I want you. Like the yellow of the sun makes the grass grow green and strong, and the pale blue of the sky, red hot love that makes me high, high, so high. Rainbow lover, come to me. Orange, yellow, sea blue, green. We journey through the ocean deep. Together we will always be. Our love is strong every day. Rain makes healthy grassy picture plains. I am glad I'm not colorblind. Blue the sea, ocean deep. No rocks will ever come between. Swirling ripples of this loving kind. Red and blue make solid brown. Nothing natural from the ground. Rainbow colors in the sky. Begin to end, it takes us high. So high. Oh, rainbow lover, come to me. Orange, yellow, sea blue, green. We journey through the ocean deep.
With my lasagna, I'm going to have, it's a strange old combination. This is beansprout and okra stir fry. So what I've got in here is coriander, peppers, and onions and garlic. And I am mixing it all up. Now it's a little bit of oil. You know I don't do too much oil again, trying to watch the weight. Seasoned it with pepper, salt, turmeric, garlic. And now I'm going to add the okra. Now I didn't have any fresh okra, so I'm going to have to use the frozen stuff. Then I've got a little bit of leftovers and then broccoli, so I'm going to add that. Now bean sprouts. Well, I've already added a little bit of water because it was drying out at the bottom. So I'm going to let this cook for a few minutes, not too long, because we don't want to lose all the goodness. This is my vegetable stir fry. So here I am testing my lasagna, my vegan lasagna with my bean sprout and okra stir fry. And now I know you think it's a weird combination. Bean sprout and okra stir fry with a lasagna. It's like, what? Italy meets Caribbean meets China. But you know what? Tastes nice. Especially if you're not feeling very well. The pasta, the lasagna makes you feel really good. And then you've got the nice healthy vegetables. So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. 1 second, I'm just seeing if my son likes it. Kyan, come quickly. So my son on the couch. So Kyan, how is your lasagna? How does it taste?
Oh. Words can't even describe how good it was.
Oh, words cannot describe how good it is. Wow, Kyan. And how are you feeling?
I feel better.
See, my lasagna, it cures children. See you next time.
Rainbow